Alright, welcome to today's little video on lawnmowers and shit. Out here, I'm wearing goddamn shorts. I'm wearing shorts, walking back to the old shop here, and just about to go look at the new parts mower. Last video I said I'd get a parts mower. And well, and I didn't lie. This thing, the initial problem with her is the starter. So I'm gonna get in there. This is my mother's case tractor. She uses it for gardening. Recently I tipped the exhaust up just because it was burning your legs. So, new lawnmowers over here. There's my van. There's my dad's Rhino. There's the actual family lawnmower for the lawn. Pretty much live in this place. And so I got my tool case out. Here's the hood for this one here. This one here is just junk. And I'm ready. This thing's just parts for this. This thing's a 16 horsepower. And she looks pretty decent. I'm going to pull the mower deck off of her. And just kind of fix her up. So I'll be with you in a second. Okay, so what I got is here's the starter. And when I turn, this is me turning the motor. Oh, well, not wanting to turn right now. That starter gear goes up and down. Hold on. That lighting is garbage, so I'm just going to grab a flashlight here. Got an old clamp flashlight. So now, what I'm going to do is I just got her all jerry-rigged. Oh, that's a little too bright, for Christ's sake. Perfect. No, screw off. Come on now. Now my hands in the way. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'll be back when I got this shit situated. Alright, I'm back. I think I got her. So, this little gear here, when I engage the ignition, which is this little bastard here, there's no battery in it, so it's not turning over, but it should just engage the starter. Starter will fire up. A spring, little thing will come up, and it would bring it up, connect to the flywheel, and you get the motor going. I am not a trained mechanic whatsoever. I just tinker, and this is what I take away from tinkering. So, I'm only 13 years old, for Christ's sakes. But yeah, I just need to get that situated. Something about either something screwy with the ground wire, or direct power from the battery terminal back here, battery terminals. And as soon as I connect them, they just get all screwy and don't want to work. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix that right now. I'm going to show you guys what the hell. Alright, be right back. Alright, so what I got going here is I jerry-rigged the bolt cutters and that flashlight to hold my damn phone up. So I'm going to show you guys what the hell happens. Look, right here. Right here, the keys, my hand. Right there. Now I'm going to put them up here on the skid steer. Oh, now you don't want to work. Okay, well, the thing it does is it takes the starter here. I'm going to grab my phone again. Look at that. Now I got a little holder thinger. Oh, shit. Okay. Got a little holder thinger. Ooh, that's zoomed in. Shit. I just gotta fix this somehow. I gotta fix all this garbage. And, I don't have the experience to fix it. I just know what I gotta do. Don't know what I have to do to get that done, though. Alrighty, stay tuned. Watch the next video. You want to see all this again? Maybe in running condition, maybe not. I kind of record when I feel like recording. And thanks for watching. See you later. Peace out.